government or some other
No.
authority will decide you to.
No, it is a trusted property. It is a trusted property. The property shall be held by that family only. By that family. If any dispute arises, we have a endowment department in the government. That endowment department will take away the property and will look after. ఈ చివరికి ఏమవుతుందంటే పిల్లి పిల్లి సామెతలాగా అయిపోతుంది. ఏది ఒక రొట్టె గురించి ఏదో కథ ఉండేది.
ఎవరికి రాకుండా పోద్ది,
ఏంటబ్బా?
ఎవరికి రాకుండా వెళ్తుంది అసలు.
ఎవరికి లేకుండా పోతుంది. ఎవరికి లేకుండా గవర్నమెంట్ ఎత్తుకుపోతుంది ఇక్కడ. అప్పుడు జోలు తీరిద్ది ఇక్కడ. ఎందుకంటే
సార్ ఇప్పుడు అతను కావాలనుకుంటే, సార్ ఇప్పుడు ప్రీస్ట్ కావాలనుకుంటే వాళ్ళ ముగ్గురులో ఎవరికైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు సార్.
నో 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 నో.
మరి ఎవరికి వెళ్తుంది సార్ అది? ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ప్రీస్ట్ ముగ్గురు సన్స్ ఎవరికి వెళ్తుంది?
అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే
లేవు, ఏమీ లేవు.
నో నో నో. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఆల్ ద 3 sons periodically they themselves will share for these 3 months. I will conduct some ceremonies, functions in the temple for the next 3 months, next 3 months, next 3 months, like that. They will be shifting their duties, and the proceeds of the garden or land, they can divide them, but not to sell the property. ఎందుకంటే that is a trusted property. One person has trusted this person and transferred the land or garden in his name to conduct ceremonies, functions to a deity. Deity means God. To a deity. That ceremonies or functions shall not be stopped by this mischievous person, by any person. It shall not be stopped. That is the will and pleasure of the first person who has transferred his lands to this family. దాన్ని చాలా సీక్రెట్గా కండక్ట్ చేయాలి. అంతేగాని మనకి డిస్ప్యూట్స్ అని చెప్పేసి దాన్ని చేయకూడదు, డిస్ప్యూట్ చేయకూడదు. నెక్స్ట్ బై పర్చేస్ proceeds of self-accord property. Tell me.
ఇప్పుడు ముగ్గురు ప్రీస్ట్లు అయితే ఓకే, మీరు చెప్పినట్టు రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఎవ్రీ 3 months or 4 months షేర్ చేసుకుంటారు. దే కెన్ ఎంజాయ్ ద ప్రాపర్టీ. ఒక్కలే ప్రీస్ట్ అయ్యి మిగతా వాళ్ళిద్దరూ ఏదో సమ్ ప్రొఫెషన్ చేసుకుంటే వాట్ అబౌట్ ద ప్రాపర్టీ? సో
వాళ్ళిద్దరు ప్రొఫెషన్ చేసుకుంటేనా సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సిచ్యుయేషన్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్. See, this lady has because I am explaining your doubt to all the students. This lady has put me a question to me that a person has 2 sons. The 2 sons are not interested to carry the father's priesthood, and they are not interested. So in this case, what to do? So that's why the AP government has endowment department, and villagers will also give complaint to the district collector that we have a temple. Under the temple some lands are there, and district collector, revenue department will interfere and solve the problem. That is answer.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
But okay. Next, another point is by purchase, by proceeds of self-accord property, by proceeds of joint family property. See here, a joint Hindu family property. Please open the figure. Hindu undivided family. Go to the figure. I am showing in this picture. Okay. See, in this picture, the giant Hindu family is holding a property, and it is out of the proceeds. Proceeds means benefits or any cash or thing that is derived from the property. suppose income is 10 lakhs, the annual expenditure is just 5 lakhs to the joint Hindi family property, and 5 lakhs is a savings. With that savings amount, the giant Hindi family purchased neighboring lands, another 5 acres. That means the additionally added 5 acres of land shall be treated here is by proceeds of giant Hindu family property. Second point, by proceeds of giant family property. Giant family property. So the already the power of the giant Hindi family property, Hindi family is holding 5 acres of land. In addition to this 5 acres of land, with the surplus amount or remaining amount, another 5 acres are added. That shall be treated as joint Hindi family property. It is not a self-acquired property. It is not a self-acquired property. Yes. See this figure. See this figure. In this figure, for example, I am pointing here S2, Sun 2, Sun 2. If this is Sun 2, listen carefully, is permitted by all the giant Hindu family members, by all the Hindu giant family members to develop your own property. There is a consent. Consent means acceptance or agreement given by all other giant Hindu family members. You are a doctor, you are an engineer, you are working somewhere else, you develop your property, you don't have any objection. That type of permission is granted by the giant Hindu family members. Understand? After taking this consent, if this S2 purchase 2 acres, with that 2 acres, again he has added another 2 acres or 3 acres. That 2 acres plus additionally added land or buildings or any property, that shall be treated as self-acquired property of this Sun 2. Here, the point for determination, the nature of property, whether it is ancestral or self-acquired, is when a person is living with giant Hindu family members, a consent is there. Please note down. A consent. Consent means acceptance. If that acceptance is given, after obtaining this acceptance, if he purchases a property, that property shall be treated as giant family property. Now the time is 10:45. Shall I stop? Do you have next hour?
No, sir. Continue, sir.
May I continue?
Continue, sir.
We didn't
Okay.
get any meeting ID, sir, right now.
Okay. That S2 property is treated as giant Hindu, self-acquired property. Next, sixth point I am coming. Conquest or winning. Conquest, conquer, CONQUOR. QUOR. Conquer means win. Winning, win, jayinchatam. When this winning and losing will arise, will happen in case of games, sports. A person is participating in games, sports, literary competitions, Olympics, Asiads, or any other competitions. So, a giant Hindu family member who is participating in these competitions, literary competitions, games and sports, or any other competitions, if he wins, that type of property is treated as self-acquired property. Conquer. Here, you may also have a doubt. Can a person win lottery? Now, lotteries are going on. Is it permitted?
No, sir.
Illegal.
Yes, sir.
Illegal.
Yes, sir. No, it is illegal. Betting,
Illegal.
Illegal, sir.
illegal. Illegal. Betting is illegal. So, if a person gets the property, he cannot directly announce that is my self-acquired property. Only lawful bettings, lawful games, lawful sports, a money which is won by any member of a giant Hindi family, that is by winning or conquer, that is treated as self-acquired property. Next, application of wealth. This application of wealth and purchase of property with the help of giant family is also one and same. Both are same point. And employment. Employment. This is also I have covered in self-acquired property. We come to this point, last point. Invention, creation, own skill. Invention, creation, or own skill. A giant Hindu family member today, by exercising his skills or creativity or inventory methods, if he creates any property, that is self-acquired property. That is self-acquired property. Here also, to determine whether it is self-acquired property or giant Hindu family property, if the giant Hindu family members active involvement or their participation is behind, then that acquires the nature of giant Hindu family property. Sculptor, 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 or potter, POTTOR, or any dancer, painter, or craftsman. That means these are experts, skilled persons. They are giving a shape or design to a raw material. See, sculptor and Silpi. He go to a hill and collect a stone, black stone, that is a raw stone. The raw stone is molded as a deity, a silpam laga, ఒక పెద్ద బౌల్ లాగా, like that. When that is put for auction, it gets very good price. A potter will take a clay, and the clay is molded and it is given a good shape, that is sold for high price. Like painter, a craftsman, a person took a log అంటే మొద్దు, LOG, log అంటే wood, లేకపోతే మొద్దు. He took that log and molded as a good picture, that is sold. So thereby he made very good money. He is the inventor to that picture. He is the creator by exercising his skills, by exercising his specialized skills. He has made money. That money is called as giant family property. Self-acquired property. Behind this self-acquired property, if the family members supports these craftsmanship, painting, pottery, sculpture, dancing, then any money, any property that is added to these shall be treated as giant family property. Giant family. Then come to sources of giant family property. Please tell me if you receive another class ID. Okay, come to this point. Sources of joint family property or co-personal property. Before knowing this co-personal property, you are supposed to know what is co-personary. What is co-personary? COPARCENERY. The word co-personary now today is having only historical importance. It lost its significance. It has no importance even today because earlier before 2005, please note down. Before 2005, you the lady students, lady members in your joint family, do you have birthright in the father's property? No. Hello?
No, sir. No.
Before 2005, you don't have birthright in the joint. But now, you have birthright in the joint family. Now, after 2005. The co-personary, see, here I am showing one diagram. You check the main diagram which is related to joint Hindu family and this small diagram relating to co-personary. In this joint Hindu family, you can find both male and female persons formed a joint Hindu family. Grandmother is joint Hindu family member. Wife of son is joint Hindu family member. The unmarried daughters are joint Hindu family members. If any widow of the predeceased son living with joint Hindu family, she is also a joint Hindu family member. That means in the joint Hindu family, both male and female formed as joint Hindu family. Joint Hindu family. There is no distinction. Joint Hindu family members consist of both male and female, old and young, married and unmarried, wives, mothers, like that, daughters also. But here, coming to this co-personary, here is grandfather, here is son 1, here is F, that is son 2, here is son 3. From this joint Hindu family, I have prepared this figure. From this joint Hindu family itself, I have prepared this figure. Son 3 and son 1 of son 2. Son 2 of son 2, son 1 of S3, son 2 of son 3.